The students have spent weeks working with base 10 blocks. It's now time to transfer from the concrete models to paper pencil. We want the students to continue with the concept of creating equal groups. These equal groups have had a pattern of grouping the divisor by hundreds, tens, and ones. 1,458 divided by 13. The old algorithm we as parents are familiar with would have us ask ourselves, how many times does 13 go into 14? Common Core reminds us that the 14 in 1458 is not a 14. It is a 1400. This is why our students will record that 100 groups of 13 are found in 1458. We then subtract to take that part of the quotient away. We are left with 158. 13 can go into 158 10 times. So we record 10 groups of 13 and then subtract that amount. Now there's only 28 left. We can no longer take out groups of 10. We can, however, make two groups of 13 and subtract 26, leaving us with 2 remaining. Therefore, the answers found in the groups we made, add them up. 100 plus 10 plus 2 equals 112, with a remainder of 2. 7,514 divided by 34. Just like the standard has requested, we will use place value to estimate our first equal group. 34 can go into 7,514 at least 100 times. We will record that 100 groups of 34 are found in 7,514. We then subtract to take that part of the dividend away. We are left with 4,114. We will record that another 100 groups of 34 can be created. We then subtract to take that part of the dividend away. We are left with 714. We cannot make another 100 groups, so we begin making groups of 10. 10 groups of 34 can be subtracted. That's a 34 with a 0 at the end. Since we are left with 374, we can create another 10 groups of 34 and subtract that. Now, with 34 left over, we can create one more group of 34 with none remaining. Therefore, the answer is found in the groups we made by adding them up. 100, 200, 210, 220, 221, with 221 being our quotient. And as always, when struggling with math, don't say I can't. Instead say, I can't yet. And that's why I'm going to keep push and play. So keep push and play, and I'll see you next time.